Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between the words ointment, emollient, and unguent. Well, they are nouns and they refer to substances that you can apply to your skin. But what kind of substances? We are about to find out. Let's delve into. And let's start with breaking them down into two groups. First, for medical purposes, ointments and unguents. And the second one isn't for medical purposes, emollients. And because of it, let's start with the word emollient. So, emollient is a creamy-like substance, let's say to treat dryness of skin or perhaps to improve the texture of skin. And that's the main difference here. It's a creamy-like substance, not for medical purposes. But what about ointments and unguents? Well, ointment is a thick, greasy, oily-like substance for medical purposes that you can find a lot in modern pharmacies. And uh, uh, they're used for treating wounds, injuries, pus, infections, and so on. Okay, but what about unguents? Unguents very close by the meaning to ointments, but the main difference here, the key difference here is that unguents used by folk healers. It is about folk medicine, and in their composition, you can find herbs. So that's the key difference here. They are also oily, greasy, and thick substances, but they contain herbs. So that's all the difference. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.